Okay, today we're going to be working on removing some trees. I'm going to be using the old John Deere 410 loader backhoe here. And I have about 11 or so locust trees. And these are planted over 30 years ago, probably close to 35. And they never really did much. They're not really much of a wind block. And from all the sprays and stuff in the field out here behind me, they've really took a toll on the trees and really killed them back. We had about another 30 or so trees further down the property, and they just completely died. And so I'm wanting to get these trees pulled down, and hoping here in spring to get a bunch of bamboo planted. And not your average bamboo, but I'm going to try to get some evergreen and then some larger bamboo that gets like 40 to 50 feet tall. So I'm hoping to get all that done here in spring. But for right now, I'm going to try my luck here pulling out these trees and see how good it goes. I'll just see if I drop anything on the cab of the backhoe. I hope not. So let's go ahead and get started and see how it goes. Okay, I've gotten really lucky here so far. Haven't had any trouble with the machine. And as soon as I pull it halfway out in the middle of the road to dig out the last tree stump, I blow a hydraulic line. And I had the backhoe here halfway out in the middle of the road, so I was able to start it really quick and hurry and get it backed up just enough off the road where it would be safe to leave it. And of course, it's a Saturday, so the hardware store is not going to be open until Monday. So I guess I'm going to take a little bit of a break until then.
Eventually.
Okay, the weekend's over. Got a new hose put on, and I went ahead and got that stump pulled out the rest of the way. So I'm going to have my brother help me here, and he's going to get on the Mobility Big Dipper loader, and we're going to try to move these tree stumps. That little Mobility, it's easy to get around in, and we just got to haul the stumps just a short ways. And I can't get through the tobacco, so I'd have to circle the whole property to get to the burn pile. So it's just quicker to load them into the Mobility. And we'll see how the Mobility does, because it does not do good in loose dirt, and this dirt is quite loose. And so hopefully we don't get it stuck out here too many times, and we get these tree stumps loaded and hauled off. So I guess it's going to do it here for this video. I know it's going to be a long video, so I apologize for that, but I had a lot of work to get done. And I got about another 6 or so trees to pull out a little further down, and then I have a small building I'm going to tear down. I've been saying that forever, but now I'm actually going to get it done. I'm just trying to get some stuff cleaned up here, and if it would ever rain, I'd like to get some grass planted where I just pull these trees here out, but we don't seem to get rain anymore, so I don't know when I'm going to get any grass planted. But I did quite a bit of leveling off over here with the trees with the backhoe. It's kind of hard to get all leveled off. That machine's not really too great for a finished grade. And I have a little 20 horse Kubota with a box blade loader. but it's out of commission for right now because the cylinders on the loader have gone out. And it's to the point now where it can't even hardly hold its own bucket up. So that's going to be coming up here fairly soon, is getting the cylinders all rebuilt on it. But I guess this is going to do it here for right now. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and that notification bell so you're notified with new videos coming out. And if you can give the video a thumbs up, that really helps me a lot. Helps people see my videos. I'm getting really close to 1,000. I'm about 3/4 way there. So I appreciate you guys' help on subscribing. And I apologize for not getting enough videos put out. I'm kind of slow at it and have quite a bit of work to do here while the weather is nice. And so I kind of want to get it all done. But I'm hoping to have more videos coming out here soon. So until then, I appreciate you guys watching.